Bula, and welcome to your new home in Nisoso. Look at this beautiful modern home, newly constructed, lily ponds right when you get inside. This is incredible. So you've got lily ponds, water features, you've got all the little fish up there waiting for you. On the right-hand side, you have a studio apartment. You also have that double car garage with full laundry facilities. And then on each side here, to the left and to the right, you also have separate one-bedroom apartments with their own pool and outdoor shower. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the fixtures in here. Gorgeous imported vanity. Look at this tile work. Great outdoor shower. Come with me. Here is that beautiful rain tree headboard. That is a solid piece of rain tree. Flat screen TVs. Beautiful furnishings out here. Look at that. A private pool for one bedroom. So you have one on this side. Straight through this beautiful entry courtyard, we have the second one. And let's go into the main house. This thing is just spectacular, great room. Look at this thing. Take all this in. So you have the two one bedrooms plus the studio and this main house with this just entertainment kitchen here, all your modern appliances, great extra storage in the back, gas burner stove built in, modern brand new appliances. Here is the split master, rain tree planks to sit on, huge walk-in, but look at that tub. Wow. I mean, this thing is top notch, let me tell you. And look at this. I'm just gonna back it up. You can see how big this thing is. This is like an outdoor shower for like 10. Unbelievable. Here's these cool water features, these showers that they have, imported vanity double sink, great laminate floors here, tiled floors. You can see the cyclone shutters here with those screens, so that netting will keep everything out at night, keep you safe. Flat screen TV, but look at these views. That is sleeping giant mountain views, all natural mangroves. We are on Nisoso Island. This is about 15 minutes from the international airport in Nandi. Private gated community. If you have a boat, you can bring in your own boat. They have boat slips available here as well. They just put in a nice new coffee shop at the entrance area. Good thing about Nisoso homes is you can actually also do short-term rentals as well. Some of these homes in other private luxury communities, they don't allow for the short-term rentals. This community happens to allow you. So if you were to purchase this home, which is offered at 3.5 million Fijian dollars, you could do short-term or long-term rentals and make some money while you're not here if you happen to be coming to Fiji part-time. And this is also available for 9,000 Fijian dollars a month. Look at this rain tree. That is solid rain tree planks. Do you see that? I mean, this is just awesome. And they use this is all natural, grown right here in Fiji. So here is again another one of those big walk-ins, all those built-ins. Yeah, this is not the same tub we saw earlier. This is a second tub. So this is actually a split master, mirror images of what we saw before on the other side of the house. There's that second just massive outdoor shower. So to learn more about this, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more about this, whether you're interested in part-time and renting it for 9,000 Fijian dollars a month, or full-time, offered for sale at 3.5 million Fijian dollars. But this is a newly built home. Look at those bifolds totally opening up. Huge entertaining area. ceiling fans going to town, covered patios, tiled, beautiful landscaping and gardens and flowers. Look at all this tropical vegetation here. And then in the back, you've got your plumeria there, or frangipani, and just taking all these views. We look forward to hearing from you soon. We'll be sitting here with a nice cold drink waiting for you on Nisoso Island, right here in Fiji. Talk to you soon. Banaka.